to the Grace Life DIY home decor. I cannot believe how quickly things are moving at the Dollar Tree. So this is St. Patty's Day items right here. Look at this. Let me show you what they have since we're here. Okay, so Valentine's Day is out, Easter is out, and we have St. Patrick's Day stuff out. So we have this drink tumbler here, and then we have some lights, we have some headbands, and then we have some paper plates and plastic cups. Here is the bow tie. Here is the straws, the tulle skirts. Here's confetti, three different kind, and those are the bubbles. Okay, so if you come on this side, look, they even have more on this side. That's crazy. I can't believe how fast things are moving here. So, all right, so we have the heart pick. So if we come into the aisle, they're still trying to stock everything up, guys. So we have the picks in red and in pink. Okay, then you have the tree. You have the deco mesh, and then you have some ribbon. Okay, and then you have the foam hearts. So those are good for DIYing. Then you have these. Now these used to come in 3, guys, and now they come in 1, and they're smaller. Here are the cupcakes. So these faux cupcakes last year were a little bit smaller. These are pretty big, guys. So here's the red, and there's the pink. And some activities for the kids. Some stickers. Some more activities for the kids. And then here are the wood hearts. I'm gonna come back and get what I need. Here's some more stickers. And I like these wood sticks. If you're serving anything, these are great. And here they go in red. Here are the wood, I think I'm gonna get some of these, the wood hearts in this shape, and then they have them in the regular hearts. So these used to come, they didn't come in a pack like this, so you get a lot more hearts now. And then these are the felt stickers. These are the XOXO, the roses. Wow, these are nice. And here's the hearts that say I love you, love. Very nice, guys. And here's some garlands, and I like these, the foam scatter. Okay, some more stickers, some more activities for the kids. I like these felt hearts. And look at this, you can use this heart here is big enough for you to use as a placemat for a tablescape. Some more activities, lots of activities for the kids. And then we go into Easter. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Now, they're not fully stocked yet, but we are in Easter. So I just showed you St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day right here, and then we get into Easter. That's crazy. Now, I think I saw these carrots last year, not sure, but look at the size of them. All right, they do have the plaid one. These are individual. Okay, so you need to get one. And then this looks like bath fizzers, marshmallow bath bombs. Okay, here you have the Easter lights, and then here you have the bunny garland. This is a decoration kit, these, and then you have the window clings and the wood decor. I like these. Ugh, I can't touch anything, guys. All right, so I like these. Here's the birds or the chicks, and then you have the rabbits. Now here are also stickers, the rabbit, the carrots, the Easter eggs, and bunnies. And then you have the bunny eggs, and here, these are nice. There's some bunny rabbits, some more Easter eggs. You have some ribbon right here. And like I said, you can always get the color bottle brush trees in the season and whatever it is you're celebrating, the plain ones. These are specifically for Easter. And then you have the wood eggs. And this shape right here is new. Yep, this shape right here is new. These bunny picks in this color is new. To me, anyway. So, the only thing you see right here are the plastic Easter eggs, and the rest is not filled yet. But we are definitely in 3 different types of decor. So, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.